How to use Discord TTS text-to-speech feature. Firstly, go to discord.com on your web browser. On the bottom left corner, you will see your profile. Select the setting gear icon called User Settings. Now your account will open. Here on the left side, scroll down. If you do that, then you should see an option called Notification. The notification option will be available under the section App Settings. Now come to the right section. If you scroll down on the right section, you should see a section called Text-to-Speech Notifications. Now you can select for all channels or for current selected channel. Then go back. To use this feature, firstly go to the messaging box. Now type in \, then TTS. You will also see the command in the suggestion. Simply click on that. Now you can start typing your message. When you send your message, then it will read out loud. If you have any important notification or message for your group, then you can use this command. This way it will alert all your members to listen to your message. That's all for today. Thank you.